So in today's video, I'll show you how to add a Google account or Gmail account to your Samsung Galaxy A27. To do it, you can go to the settings on your Samsung. Then scroll down until you find Accounts and Backup, and now click on Manage Accounts. Then click on Add Account and select Google. Then it will load for a moment. It may ask you for verification it's you. I'll use my screen lock, but you can use your fingerprint. And then you can click on next. Wait, that is weird. Yeah, whatever it was, I'll skip that. I'll just do it the traditional way by entering the email and then the password. So I'll enter the email. Then click on next, and I'll be able to enter the password, so I'll just get back to you once it's done. Now let's click on next, and I can save the sign-in info to my Samsung Pass, so it'll remember my password on the phone. You can do it, of course, or not. I'll cancel it for now. Now select whether you or your child will be using this device. If you select your child, the further steps will vary a little bit, but well, you may want to search for a different video on how to set it up for a child, how to set up parental controls and stuff like that if you want more about that. Now agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. And as you can see, I can select whether I want to use my biometrics to verify purchases on Google Play Store. I'll unselect it for now, but feel free to select it so you can use the fingerprint to verify things on Play Store, of course. And now it's added. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.